Good morning children. Today I will discuss the 9th class assignment topic related to matter around us. In this we are having 3 questions and 5 objectives. First question is, why do we prefer to sip hot tea with the saucer than a cup? Here the question is, why do we prefer to sip a hot tea with the saucer than a cup? Here if we observe, in case of saucer, the surface area is more compared to the cup. So what will happen as the surface area increases, the rate of evaporation also increases. The rate of evaporation also increases. So as the rate of evaporation increases, rate of evaporation is nothing but ability to evaporate within the short time, with respect to the time also increases. That's why the tea which is present in the saucer readily gets cool compared to the cup. It will take more time to cool down. So that's why, based on the principle, as the surface area increases, the rate of evaporation also increases. The substance tea, hot tea which is present in the saucer readily gets cool. So because of this reason, we will prefer to sip hot tea with a saucer than the cup. The principle is, here the rate of evaporation increases as the surface area increases. Second question. Why do we store water in earthen pots? The question is, why do we store water in earthen pots? Here, earthen pots contain small pores. Earthen pots, generally, they contain the pores, small holes. Pores are nothing but small holes. From these holes, the water which is present in the pot readily gets evaporated through these pores by absorbing the heat energy from the surface of the pot container. So here what is happening? The water which is present in the pot absorbs heat from the pot, and because of this high temperature, the water which is present in the pot readily gets evaporated, so that finally the water which is present in the pot will get cooled. That's why the water present in the earthen pots will be cool. Because of this reason only, we will store the water in earthen pots. They can readily get evaporated. Here the principle is, as the water is getting evaporated through the pores of the earthen pot by absorbing the heat energy from the surface of this pot, it readily gets cooled. Because of this principle only, we will prefer to store water in the earthen pots. Next question. Like this, diagrammatic representation is given, which is of capacity 1000 ml of water another container which is also containing the 1000 ml of water. Both of same capacity here. The question is, which one take more evaporation give the reason. Here they have given the diagrammatic representation, two containers which is of same capacity 1000 ml. They have taken 1000 ml of water. They are asking which of the following, in which of the following case the evaporation takes place fastly. The correct answer is actually in beaker A, container A, the evaporation takes place fastly. The reason is here in the container A, it is having more surface area. More surface area. As the container A is having more surface area, in this container more particles are available for the evaporation compared to the container B. So, as number of particles are available for the evaporation in this container A, the evaporation process takes place fastly. The reason is here container A is having the more surface area. Next, objectives. First one, solid CO2 is known as, actually solid CO2 is also called as dry ice. Dry ice. Next one, the amount of energy required, the amount of energy required to change 1 kg of solid into gas at its cooling point. At its cooling point is known as, here the question is the amount of energy required to convert 1 kg of the solid into gas at its cooling point is known as latent heat of evaporation. Evaporation. Here, whenever we are considering the amount of energy required, that will come under latent heat, and as a substance is converting into the gaseous state, it is the evaporation process. So, the answer is latent heat of evaporation. Next question. At higher altitude, the atmospheric pressure decreases. So, as we are moving away from the surface of the earth towards the higher altitude, the atmospheric pressure decreases. Next question, formation of clouds. Formation of clouds. It is come under sublimation process. Formation of clouds is due to condensation. Condensation is nothing but the process of converting gaseous state of a substance into its liquid state. So, formation of clouds are also due to the conversion of gaseous form of the substance into the liquid. So, here it is due to the condensation process. Last question. Size of naphthalene balls decreases due to sublimation process. Sublimation. Here sublimation is nothing but the process of converting solid state of a substance into its gaseous state directly without converting into the liquid state. So, the process of converting solid state of a substance into its gaseous state is called as, without converting into the liquid state, is called as sublimation. This is the assignment. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.